This is my audience. Okay, how many of you have cell phones? The majority of you probably do because that's the norm and everyone has a cell phone. Now take your phone out and start to text. Doesn't matter who you text or what you text, just start texting. Good. Your attention has now transitioned from fully being on me to partly being on your phone and partly listening to me. You can still hear me, but you may not actually be listening or thinking about what I'm saying. And you definitely can't see me. So for all you know, I could be doing something crazy up here. The idea of being distracted is very important when we think about driving. Texting and driving can be very dangerous and life-threatening. Today I'm going to inform you about 3 dangers of texting and driving. The first danger is the effect it has on our reaction time. According to driverstest.org, using a cell phone to send or receive messages while driving delays the reaction time as much or more than the legal limit of alcohol consumption. Everyone looks at drinking and driving as a terrible thing, and it is, but not near as many people look at texting and driving as a bad thing. I think we should consider them more on equal standards because they have some of the same effects. The second danger is it decreases the safety of you and those around you. An article on digitalresponsibility.org said it's 23 times more likely for a driver to crash while sending or receiving a message. This includes all crashes, but if we look more seriously at different serious crashes, you would look at the ones that have injuries or deaths. In the same article, it is said that a distracted driver was a factor in at least 18% of all injury-causing accidents. This would include a danger to you as the driver, your passengers, other drivers or passengers that share the road with you, and it would also be a danger to pedestrians or bikers on the sidewalks or crosswalks. According to HuffingtonPost.com, when driving 55 miles an hour, taking your eye off the road for a mere 5 seconds to check an incoming message is the equivalent of driving blindfolded across the length of a football field that's filled with obstacles. As you can imagine, that is very dangerous. The third danger may not be a danger to everyone, but would be a danger to me, and is definitely an inconvenience to everyone. And the third one is financial danger. In most states, it is illegal to text and drive, and in Indiana, it is illegal. If you get pulled over for texting and driving, tickets range from $20 to $1,000, according to MotherJones.com. It would just depend on which state you get pulled over in. I would consider wasting money on a ticket a financial danger, but even if you didn't, no one wants to pay for tickets. It's just an inconvenience. That's not the only thing you would be paying if you got caught texting and driving. Insurance rates also increase. According to drivingtest.org, if you receive a texting citation or texting and driving is mentioned in a police report for an incident or a wreck that you are responsible for, you will notice a significant increase in insurance rates. Insurance rates are something that you pay more than once, so having to pay an increased rate will make a dent in your bank account. It is quite obvious that texting and driving can be physically dangerous, but it's not quite as obvious it can be financially dangerous as well. There are so many reasons not to text and drive, and so many more reasons that it's safer not to. And it would also make the world a safer and better place. And here's my audience again, super zoomed in.